Here we are working with the integral of x cosine x with respect to x, and I think we'll start by letting u equal x, and then setting the derivative of u as the derivative of x, because we're doing an integration by parts as there is a product in the integrands there. And then we'll set a dv, and that will be equal to cosine x. V, which is the integral of dv, is simply sine x. And so, because it's integration by parts, we go across first and then down and over after. And so first we get x sine x minus the integral of sine x dx, because we go across to get this part, down and under to get this part. And now we just need to solve this integral. So we've got x sine x minus the integral of sine is negative cosine x. But because there's a negative here, and we're dealing with a negative there, we're going to do a positive there to get cosine x. And because there are no bounds, there's no limits, this is an indefinite integral, and that means we have to add a constant at the end. So this is the solution to our integral. If you have any questions, or if you've got any other calculus or physics problems you want me to tackle, please leave your comments below. I hope you found this helpful.